סימן שופט למטה, בערך 30 מטר. ממש משמאל סולם, משכב לשופט.
The Israel Defense Forces announced on Thursday that troops from the 98th Division had successfully dismantled and destroyed a network of terror tunnels in Jabalia, Gaza. These tunnels contained the bodies of hostages killed during the October 7 attacks by Hamas. In recent weeks, the IDF has recovered multiple bodies from Hamas's extensive network of terror tunnels throughout the Gaza Strip. The latest operation resulted in the rescue and recovery of 7 hostages identified as Shani Luke, Amit Bustgila, Ron Benjamin, Yitzchak, Gelinter, Hanan Yablonka, Michael Nissenbaum, and Orion Hernandez. Tragically, it was confirmed that all 7 individuals had been killed on October 7 and their bodies had subsequently been abducted by Hamas. The joint operations to rescue these hostages involved the IDF and the Shin Bet, which is the Israel Security Agency. Before destroying the tunnels, IDF intelligence and operational units meticulously worked to ensure that no other hostages remained inside. Over the past week, the IDF has destroyed several tunnels, including an 800-meter-long tunnel that posed a threat to IDF positions. This particular tunnel contained caches of Kalashnikovs, mortar shells, and other military equipment. The Jabalia area has been a significant stronghold for Hamas, with numerous raids and attacks on IDF troops originating from tunnels in this region. The destruction of these tunnels was carried out by soldiers from the elite unit of the IDF Engineering Corps using engineering tools, mine explosions, and advanced technological means. The operations were carefully timed to ensure the safety of any potential hostages. During the division's combat operations in Jabalia, Battalion 75 fighters killed a terrorist suspected of serving as a lookout near the site where the hostage's body were held. Following this, forces conducted a raid and precisely located the bodies. Yahalom fighters, Shin Bet agents, and Special Intelligence Unit soldiers entered the area under the cover of night, successfully recovering the bodies in a meticulously planned operation. The IDF's efforts to dismantle Hamas's tunnel networks and recover the bodies of hostages highlight the ongoing challenges and dangers faced by Israeli forces in Gaza. The operations continue as part of Israel's broader strategy to neutralize threats posed by Hamas and secure the region.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.